Have you ever thought about bringing the outdoors in? Welcome to the beautiful world of indoor gardening, a haven that improves air quality, boosts your mood, and adds aesthetic appeal to your living space. Indoor gardening is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. First things first, choosing the right plants is crucial for indoor gardening. Consider snake plants, pothos, or spider plants. These green friends are low maintenance and thrive well indoors, making them perfect for your indoor oasis. Remember, the right plant can make all the difference. Now, where should you place your plants indoors? It's all about light, folks. Some of our green friends crave bright light, while others are content in lower light conditions. It's a balancing act of understanding and meeting your plant's needs. Finding the perfect spot is all about understanding your plant's needs. Now that you've chosen your plant and found the perfect spot, how do you take care of it? It's all about balance, watering, feeding, and pruning. Remember, avoid overwatering and choose the right fertilizer to promote growth. Taking care of your indoor garden may require a bit of effort, but the rewards are well worth it. And there you have it, a simple guide to starting your indoor garden. We've covered choosing the right plants, finding the perfect spot, and the essentials of care and maintenance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!